Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to speed up slow Microsoft Excel performance by disabling background error checking. This instantly stops the background processing engine from constantly scanning millions of formula grids in the dark, giving your system core a massive speed boost and stopping lag on heavy worksheets. First, open Microsoft Excel. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Formulas tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Scroll down through the Properties pane until you reach the section explicitly headed Error Checking. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Enable Background Error Checking. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze that resource-heavy, real-time background scanning loop. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your high-performance layout rules into the system core. And that's it. Your fast-processing, warning-free spreadsheet data editing workspace configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.